How to save your story on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save your story on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you will see your profile here. Click on it and click here more, and you will see here save. As you see, and after you click save, it will be saved. And if you don't want to save it, just click cancel. And that's how to save your story on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.